Welcome to a MainelyDIY.com video.
Okay, this is what I call a zip tool. They call it a side swiper. I'm going to use this to take apart the vinyl off the side of the house. Without it, it's got a little lip on it. Without it, you might break your siding. It'd be really hard, difficult to do without, but with it, it should be quite easy. You just slide it up underneath, you pull it, and you just zip it across. Just kind of slide that up in, and then you pull back, and you can zip it across. Now, I'll show you, see if this works like I'm hoping. I'm going to start taking off this piece. So, what we do is, we gotta go up in there. Hang on. Slide it along. And it opens it up. This side's real tight. Okay, now we're going to attempt to put everything back using my little zip tool. The zip tool will help me put it back. I'm going to slide it up underneath, and then this little lip is going to help pull it out so that I can attach it. If you look at the side of this, see the little lip that's going to pull down? It reaches up, pulls that down. I don't know if you can see that, if I've got that on there right or not. See how it pulls it down? Like that.
Yep.
So I'm going to reach underneath everything and start doing it. And start working at it. And it zips along quite a bit. And just keep going. There. That's one done. Now I got, I don't know, 10 or 12 to go. If you do it right, it zips right in. Just like